My name is Red Nuestro, taga Pasay, from Pasay City. And I'm a singer, a musical theater actor. Most of my gigs are usually events and wedding gigs. Katatapos ko lang ginawa yung musical ng CCP last month. And right now, I'm doing a production called Carousel for Repertory Philippines. And nandito tayo sa rehearsal venue namin. I started early. Yeah, around 8, 9, 10 years old. Alam ko na ito yung gusto kong maging. Sabi ko, gusto ko to. Gusto ko tong ganitong buhay. Gusto kong maging entertainer. Gusto kong makapagpasaya ng tao. Gusto kong kumanta. Na-reach ko tong estado ko ngayon sa kung saan man ako naroon ngayon with my talent. Of course, with help of a few people. Kasi I never really took voice lessons yung formal. Wala akong formal voice lessons. Everything that the people hear from me, talagang self-taught. Yung passion ko for performing, that's what's gonna take me right there. Sa aking pamilya, sa aking mga kaibigan, sa aking mga kakilala, maraming salamat po at nakisama kayo at nakidamay kayo dito sa aking journey sa YSOE. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan. Malaking parte po kayo ng tagumpay ko dito sa Your Song of Excellence. Taiwan Excellence, thank you so much for putting up this kind of competition. Marami pa kayong matutulungan at marami pa kayong madidiscover na talents dito sa Pilipinas. Inspiration ko for this competition is my family, particularly my mother-in-law. Yung mother-in-law ko kasi, COVID survivor. And medyo nabuon kami sa utang. To Mama Edith, alam ko mahal na mahal mo ko. I would just like to say thank you so much for everything, for the support and for the love. Ilalaban natin to para sa iyo at para sa family natin.
Parang dapit hapon, umagang kay ganda. Ang puso't isipan, lugmok at tulala. Sa mga bagyo o pagsubok na di humuhupa, nasasaktan, nagdaramdam, pagkatatag at maniwala. Sasagipin kita sa gitna ng bagyo. Ililigtas kita sa madilim na mundo. Kapit lang, oh, oh, kapit lang. Sa panahon na lilipas, darating din ang liwanag. Babangon sa kabiguan, lumaban lang, manalig lang. Sa mga bagyo at pagsubok na di humuhupa, nasasaktan, nagdaramdam, pagkatatag at maniwala. Dadamayan, sasamahan, at hindi iiwan. kapit lang, kapit lang, sasagipin kita.
Red, talagang natunaw ang aming mga puso sa boses mo tonight. How are you feeling?
Still nervous, but I'm feeling good, feeling good.
Feeling good. Now, we all know it takes a lot of courage to join competitions like this. Is there anything you've learned by sharing the same musical space as your co-contestants?
If there's one thing I've learned, it's not to be afraid. Not to be afraid. I've been afraid for so long, and I just wish, ginawa ko to nung buhay pa yung my parents. Kasi they were the ones who are keen. Hey, join competition. We want to see you. We want to see you on stage. We want to, parang it's their way of saying we want to be proud of you. And yun.
Well, I'm sure they're smiling down from heaven. Super proud of you right now. Super proud of you right now.
Thank you so much.
Now, let's hear what Mr. Basti Artadi has to say about your performance.
Red, you have a beautiful voice, man. And when you have that kind of talent, and what drives it is, being inspired for the people that you love, I guess that raises it even more. Not just your voice, but your performance. And it showed tonight. One of the hardest things when you're interpreting a song is, transmitting the feeling of the song to the person watching. And I felt it, man. When you were singing Kapit Ka, Kapit, it was like, sige man, I'll make Kapit.
Thank you so much.
It's cool because it's so high, and then all of a sudden when you talk, it's like, oh, kumusta, Nicole? But anyway, beautiful performance. Thank you so much for it, man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Red, and all the best. Sent. Our first runner-up is Rachel Lilo. Congratulations! Which means our grand champion with 94.19% is Red Nuestro. Congratulations to all of our #Hearts at Home contenders and our grand champion, Red Nuestro.